Good morning, everybody. We're here in beautiful Sedona, Arizona.
Another stop on our road trip, Lollapalooza. And if you've enjoyed looking at our videos, we really hope you'll subscribe and make sure you hit the notification bell so you're made aware of all of our videos as they come online.
So let's go out and explore Sedona. We're doing the Secret Mountain hike.
Beautiful hike, easy trails, gorgeous scenery.
And we've hired a new team. We have a new videographer. And your name is?
Riker.
Riker. Riker's our new videographer. Is it okay to put Riker on screen? Riker, we're gonna get you on. Say hi to the folks, Riker. Hi. Riker. We want to thank Riker for taking time out of his hike to record for us, and also his parents letting him. Thank you, folks.
Everybody, just some reflections on Sedona. It's an absolutely beautiful place. There's no doubting that. It is a bit overdeveloped for our taste.
Yes.
If you were thinking of a place to get away from it all, this ain't the place.
Yeah, it is. It's charming. We've watched it kind of become overdeveloped over the last 30 years that we've been coming here. It's a little hard to get some shots of some of the beautiful rock formations without getting a housing development, a country club, or where do they play golf on?
A golf course.
A golf course, that's what they do, of course.
But they do have set aside some really nice hiking areas that are well equipped with restrooms and parking areas. They have shuttle buses to take you to trailheads and really nice picnic areas like the one we're seated in right now. So it's kind of a mixed bag.
Yeah, for me, a little precious and elite. I hate to say that because I remember the old Sedona. And but if you've never seen it,
it's still beautiful.
It's still beautiful. A lot of good places to eat. Great hiking once you get to the trailheads, which are nice. They have the bathrooms, picnic tables like we're sitting at. So they do have that.
Yep. Just be prepared that you're not going to do it on your own.
Yeah. Again, crowds, lots of people.